You probably can't even hear me because like the fridge is kind of loud and then the fan's on. How are you? How you doing? I'm just organizing my fridge. No big deal. I hate that there's like no space at all, and I also hate the fact that I keep organizing it and it keeps getting messy, so I'm going to organize it because I just can't any longer with this mess, you know. Today was a okay day. I cried. I do have to admit, I cried today. These are tomatoes, but they smell weird. I'm like, it's my mom's, so I'm not gonna like throw them out or anything because I don't eat cherry tomatoes enough to know how they should smell. Oh, it's this one. It's this one that's rotten. Okay, it was like all soft and weird, so I had to throw it out. Ooh, let's do a taste test, right? Okay. Cheese crafted with fresh local milk. Ooh, I can't have milk. I'm lactose intolerant. Ooh, it's... Wow, what is that? I don't know. Oh, if you haven't seen that video, you should go watch that video. Ha. It's rotten. I'm gonna end up editing this, and if you can't even hear me, I'm gonna be so fucking pissed. Like about half, right? Half. Oh, you can't see it. Half is done. He like cuts it in half. It's nothing special, but it's smart, and I never thought about it because I do have to admit I am kind of slow. Can you see it? This is important. I want you to see it. There it is. Now this will give us more space. Whee! Yay! Oh my God, Sanaya, you're so smart. Watermelon.
No! God, please, no! No!
Aren't you happy you're closer to me now?
No!
Oh my God, like I said. Oh! This is faint. The bread.
And that
Welcome to the bread bank.
yeah, we're bank. God. Wait.
Welcome to the bread bank.
Hey guys. God, and another yeah.
That's done. We're done.
No.
Yeah, I'm done.
No.
I am.
No.
Yes, I am. Okay, look, guys. Heck yeah. Say bye. Say bye.